Emmy, what are you barking at? Show me. Show me. Emmy, it's okay. It's okay. Emmy. Emmy, look what she's barking at. Oh my gosh. She's barking at the watermelon. Emmy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Go see it. Go see it. It's okay. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. Emmy, it's okay. Honest to Pete, I had it up on the counter and she started freaking out. So I tried to show it to her. Emmy, stop. It's okay. She's barking at the watermelon. I've never seen something like this before in my life. I'll even go try to touch it and say, I tried to do that earlier. It's okay, Emmy. It's okay. Here it is. Here's the watermelon. It's okay, Emmy. It really is. It's really okay. Barking at the watermelon. Emmy. Emmy, you got it. What would she do if I rolled it to her? That would not scare her. This is the most I've heard her bark. She's 6 months old. This is insane.